In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot developer projects and local dev like a boss. If you've been looking to streamline your development process within HubSpot, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps of creating projects in HubSpot's environment, making it easier to manage your tasks and collaborate efficiently with your team. First up, let's get started by going to the marketing email section in HubSpot. This is where you'll initiate your journey into managing projects. By logging into HubSpot, you'll find the marketing email option readily accessible. Once there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Understanding the layout will enhance your efficiency as you progress. Next, once you're in, you're going to want to click on LIO. This step is crucial because it transitions you from browsing emails to managing broader project tasks. LIO, or more specifically, your local intelligence operations, will provide the infrastructure and tools you need to effectively oversee your development projects. After clicking on LIO, you should see an option labeled Projects. Go ahead and click on Projects. This is where you'll find a hub dedicated to your development work. Within this section, all your current and past projects can be accessed. It's your command center, where all the planning and executing begin. At this juncture, you're ready to create a new project. Look for the Create New Project button and click on it. This is your starting point for any new endeavor. When creating a new project, you'll be prompted to input essential details about your project. This might include names, descriptions, and any preliminary tasks or goals. Once you've got your project set up, it's time to hit Create. This step commits your project to the system, setting it up within HubSpot's intuitive framework. A little tip here. Do not rush through the process. Be sure everything is filled out accurately, as this helps set a solid foundation for efficient project management moving forward. Now that your project is established, you can start adding tasks. Look for the Add a Task option and select it. Tasks are the building blocks of your project, breaking down your workload into manageable parts. You can add descriptions, assign them to team members, and set deadlines to keep your project on track. By following these steps, you're not only managing a project in HubSpot, but you're elevating your project management workflow to a new level. You've got all the tools you need right within reach. Just remember to utilize them efficiently. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on using HubSpot developer projects and local dev like a pro. If you found these steps helpful, don't forget to share your experience with others who might be interested. Until next time, happy developing!